Mornings in Indian households are extremely busy. It's very difficult to deliver any message effectively. But even in this chaos, there are two constants in every household: morning tea and laundry pressed clothes. Wagh Bakri, India's leading tea brand, decided to use one of these constants to promote the other in an unusual way. How did we do it? Well, the local laundry wallahs insert a piece of paper into pressed clothes to hang them easily. The rustling sound of this paper is an evidence of kadak, good ironing for the customers. These are usually newspapers or papers bought in a bulk, costing around rupees 700 a month. We decided to turn this paper into a new outreach medium, presenting the Wagh Bakri Laundry Insert. We designed a new laundry insert that became useful for the laundry wallahs as well as the brand. These laundry inserts were then distributed to the laundries for free. The new design made the inserts unmissable even during the morning rush. And with the pressed clothes usually stacked in at least for a week, the life of the medium and the message went up. The results? Thus, the kadak istri became a reminder of kadak tea during the busy morning hours.